Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set your skin tone for Snapchat. So this is a nice touch that Snapchat has added. Like if you take a photo, let's take a photo real quick, and then you want to add an emoji. So let's just say you do thumbs up or something like that. So when you get this emoji down here on the bottom, it will correlate with the skin tone that you select. Or sometimes you'll try and type an emoji and you'll get like the yellow emoji, and then you have to like hold down on it and pick the one you want, and it just isn't that smooth. So there's a way around that Snapchat has created, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First, you want to tap on this icon right here, and then in the top right corner you want to tap on the settings icon, and then you want to scroll down a little bit until you see additional services, and then you want to tap the manage button. Then they've added a lot of nice things here that you can change your settings and preferences and things like that. So I'll be getting into some of this in future videos, but for right now we want to tap on emoji skin tone. And this is going to give us the 6 options to choose from for our emoji color. So like whenever we type these things out, it'll set the default color based on the skin tone that you select. So all you want to do is just select the skin tone that's closest to yours, and then you're good to go. So I went ahead and I selected this one right here. And then you just go back. And that's all you need to do. Now whenever you go ahead and type an emoji, it's going to use the skin tone that you selected as the default. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily videos, and check out some of the other Snapchat videos on the channel. I have like hundreds of Snapchat tutorials. I'll link a playlist down in the description. Drop a like on this video if you found it helpful. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.